Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nevergrave, The Witch and the Curse game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. After your system restarts, now launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, add the game application to the list. Now after that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here as it is shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option as you can see in the picture. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After that, restart your PC and then try to launch the game again and check if it's playing. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Nevergrave, The Witch and the Curse game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Nevergrave, The Witch and the Curse game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Nevergrave, The Witch and the Curse game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.